Alright guys, you're welcome back to this channel. Kindly subscribe if you've not yet done so. So I will be first and foremost, it's actually a mining bot already. So it's a project that is going from one stage to the another. Do you get that? So the first thing for you to do is you must make sure that you have actually connected your wallet. That's the first thing. So if you've not connected your wallet, definitely you are going to see something right here that would give you a symbol of connect wallet or a wallet symbol. So click on it so you'll be able to see how you get to connect. So for here now you can see this symbol that means for me to exit. So if I click on it, it will ask that I exit. It has already exited, taking me out. So if I click on connect wallet, I'm going to connect my wallet and verify the connection. All right, so back to SNAPSTER. So you can see it's showing what I have in my wallet already. So whichever way you want to go, whether through the market or through the points, do you get it? So now these are the coins that has already been listed on the SNAPSTER bots. These are the coins. So it's just a handful of them. So very soon there'll be several other ones that will be added to it. So you can click on any of these tokens that you are seeing here and you trade them together. So let me click on the first one now, F-ton. So you can see you have all of these sessions. You see trade sessions. That is where you can actually put in the amount you want to buy. So if I click on 50%, that means it will give me 50% of the ton that I have here for me to buy this F-ton. Do you get? So if I click on 50%, so I am spending 0.22 ton to buy me 197 F-ton. Do you get that? So that is what you do. And before you buy any project, make sure you check to see the information. That is your risk analysis. You must actually make calculated risks. Don't just invest blindly. So if you click on the info, you are going to see here the liquidity is $84,000, the market cap is $2 million and 3,000 holders. So in the last 24 hours, just 101 trades and traders, 43 traders, and within the 24-hour volume, it's just $6,000 is what actually came in or went out. Do you get that? So, and looking at the description of this project saying utility token for Phantom Fantasy Sports game. So possibly that might strike a chord in you. So and this is the contract address. If you tap on it, definitely possibly okay, you are not able to copy. And if you look at it right now, this token was created almost 80 days ago. That is roughly 3 months. It was created roughly 3 months. And looking at the trust score is 70%. So it's still making sense. And also the mintable means that they cannot add to the numbers of the total supply again. Nobody can add to the total supply. That means the total supply is maximum right now. So before, if it is 1 million tokens, that means it cannot be increased more than 1 million. It will always be 1 million. Do you get that? So that is what you should look for. So let me also pick another token and let's see. So you can also click on chart for you to see the charts, the candle movement of the project. So you can also get to check and change the time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. If I click on the G, it will give me 1 day time frame. So that will give you a very good view. So looking at this right now, so you can see the chart. This shows that actually for this project is a good time to actually buy because you can see this candle, this green candle actually building up over time. So the price can actually shoot higher and go back to the all-time high right now. Although this is not a financial advice, this is a decision that you are going to take on your own. So you see, so you can see the purchase right now. If you scroll, you can see the buy and sell currently ongoing on the project. You can see a lot of money is actually coming in and out of the project. A lot of people are buying and stuff like that. You get that? So that is just that's about the project. And so let's just look at another project just for us to look at the other side of it. So now I'm going to click on this one, Villa. If I click on that, let's see the information. Click on the info. So right now it seems it's a Romanian project. So the liquidity is 490,000. The market cap is 5 million. The 6,000 holders. And looking at the 24-hour trade, 843, 493, and within the 24 hours, last 24 hours, 207k has actually gone in and out of the project. So you can also read more on the description of the project to know, but this is not in English, so you might actually copy to actually read in English if you so wish. So looking at the contract, also you have the contract here, and it was created 35 days ago, that's 36 days ago. So but currently there is no trust score. So that means it has not been audited yet to actually clarify the risks of the project, and also it is still mintable. That means new tokens can still be introduced to the project. So that means the project right now, as it is right now, it can increase the total supply at any time. Do you get it? So maybe it can still analyze more, check in later whether the trust score would have been added or the mid table has been turned to no, just like the way we saw for the first one that we viewed, which was the F turn that we saw the other time. Do you get that? So all right, so very quickly, let me trade F-tone. I want to trade F-tone. I'm going to buy 50% of it with what I have. So that means I'm buying $1.17 of F-tone. So I've already typed 50. I've tapped on the 50%. I can also type in the amount that I want to buy. Do you get that? So it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean. Do you get it? So I'm just going to leave it like that. So I'm going to click on buy. So it's asking me that I should have at least 0.5 tone left after the swap to cover fees. So I will have to end this video here. So I'm not ready to buy tone, but if you have enough tone, you should be able to make the swap and be able to finalize the transaction by confirming on your wallet. Do you get that? So it's just simple and straightforward, so you don't have anything to worry about. So but just make sure the tokens you are investing to, you do your own research so that you're not just going to buy tokens that would rug you or go away with your funds. Do you get that? So there's not really much transaction record here. So you can see the last transaction record was 33 minutes ago, and there's no harm in trying and putting what you can afford to lose. Do you get that? So all right guys, I will have to end this video here. If you actually enjoyed this video, kindly drop a like and also drop your comments in the comment section below, and also please subscribe to my channel. All right guys, until next time, this is FinTech Space with Teambiz. Bye for now.